Howdy YouTube, and welcome to another episode of the Gunman. So today I'm pleased to announce that we're doing another spray gun giveaway, and it is on the ANI Compact. So they recently released a new kit, right? And it was at that image that you saw at the front at the start of this video. So it's obviously the gun itself, which is basically the same gun as the ANI R160, right? But they've actually added a few fluid tip sizes to it. So previously they had four. It was 0.5, 0.8, 1 mil, and 1.2. But now they've upgraded it to 1.3 and 1.4 as well. And they're actually looking at getting some even larger tip sizes for people who want to use, say, thick primers and just have one gun to rule them all. But all of that aside, all you need to do to enter this competition is leave a comment below, like this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? That's all you need to do. You don't have to share the video. You can if you want. But yeah, that's all you have to do, and you're going to get one of these kits. But this kit comes with a 1.3 and a 1.0, powered by Spray Guns Direct. If you want to get one of these kits, I'll also leave a link in the description. Till next time, get out there and paint some shit. Gunman out. Good luck.